For those of you on the path, you'll know that there's some value in our suffering. If we looked at it right, wow, there could be a big impetus for our spiritual growth. So, as we've said, pain is inevitable, right? The world has its ups and downs, but how we choose to react to it, that's the cause of our suffering, or not. So let's say in the world nowadays, there's horrendous things going on. There's no denying it. So how we choose to look at this madness, we have no control of the madness of the world, but we have ultimate control as how we choose to react to it. And therein lies the value of suffering. So if we looked at it right, let's say we said many a times this way and that way, if we look at it with judgment and despair and anger and just, throwing up our hands up like this world is really going to tailspin down into hell and play the role of the victim, okay, that's understandable. Not that it's helpful, but it's understandable. But let's say we choose to react differently. We say, oh, wow, this has gone far enough. We have an amoral culture. That's what's really needed to be enhanced and taught now is morality and values, just basic humanity. Human values, that must come to the fore. Okay, that's one way. And we look at things with compassion and an impetus to help education and to help direct causes as to why these things happen. Oh, that improves our own consciousness. And that happens with hardships and suffering within our own lives. We have setbacks and defeats. How we choose to look at those defeats and adversity is a measure of the man or woman. So it kind of like what Shakespeare says that we've quoted a number of times here, which I love, is adversity, ugly as a toad, yet wears a golden crown in his head. So it could be said that next time we come into adversity, you can ask yourself, okay, there's a golden crown in this situation, and our job is to find it. And that way we can use suffering as an impetus for our own spiritual growth.